Good PM, ngayon po ay Monday, September 4, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, September 4, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 4, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, September 4, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 108 million pesos for September 4, 2023 Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, September 4, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.